In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find freelance jobs on Glassdoor. Let's get started by signing in. Open Glassdoor on your web browser or launch the mobile app and log into your account. Being signed in ensures you can save searches, bookmark roles you like, and sometimes see more details on each posting. It also keeps your preferences synced between devices, which is helpful if you switch between your phone and computer while job hunting. Next, head to the search bar. Type in the job title or skill you're interested in, along with a keyword like freelance to focus on flexible, project-based roles. For example, you might try freelance copywriter, freelance developer, or simply freelance if you want to browse broadly. Keep your keywords clear and skill-focused so Glassdoor can surface the most relevant results. Quick note before we continue. I've placed the official Glassdoor website link and the app download links right at the top of the description for easy access. If you're watching on desktop, click the website link. If you're on mobile, the app link will take you straight to the store page. Once you've entered your keywords, hit Search. This opens the job listings page where you'll see a feed of roles that match what you typed. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout. You'll usually have a list of jobs on the left and details on the right, or a simple list on mobile. From here, we'll narrow things down so you see only freelance opportunities. Open the filters menu and look for job type. Select contract or freelance to refine the results to flexible roles. This is the key setting that trims out full-time positions and brings the right gigs to the top. While you're here, you can also fine-tune by location, salary range, company size, or date posted to get fresher or better-fitting listings. Apply your changes and let the results refresh. Now browse through the filtered freelance listings and look for roles that match your skills and availability. Click into any listing to read the description carefully. Pay attention to the scope of work, deliverables, timeline, required tools, and the compensation structure. Check the company overview and reviews to learn more about the employer's reputation. If a posting seems vague or asks for fees upfront, consider that a red flag and move on. When you find a good match, save it so you can compare options and apply when you're ready. That's it. You can now easily find freelance jobs on Glassdoor. Thanks for watching.